Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh and hi everyone. So today I would like to present a prototype which is for assignment 4 for subject Introduction to Software Engineering. So this is our prototype for iTaklim website. This is the first page for this prototype, which is site home. And here is the iTalem logo. If we hover onto this logo, there will be a shadow behind this logo or this icon. And here is the login button. And when we hover onto it, there will be shadow under the button. So basically, this is the iTalem site home look like. So when we click onto this logo, iTalem logo, it will go back to this page, which is site home. And when we click on this button, it will go to the second page, which is login page. So basically we change the login interface, which we added the border and an attractive color. We changed the font of the word. And here also, if we hover onto this logo, there will be a shadow. And when we click on this sign, and it will go back to the site home page. And here we click on the login button and we'll go to the login page. So basically we changed a little bit. We added some colors because to make this page look attractive for the student. And here are some details below the page. And we can enter our username and password. And here, when we hover onto it, there will be shadow behind it, and we click it, and it will be direct into the other page, which is dashboard page. Here are basically the page, how the page look like. And here are this dashboard button. If we click it, it will return to this page, which is dashboard. And here are something that we alter, which is the message. And it will show clearly the messages that we receive. And the new message will be in gray color, which is the light gray color. And when we hover onto it, it will change into the darker gray. And the submission button or submission platform is just the same, only we alter the some of the color of the border. We change into the greenish color, and we add some other characteristic, which is for the real iTalib. There will be only next 7 days and next 30 days. So attribute. So we added one more, which is net 14 days, which will be more precise about the assignment and can help the students to track the assignment and the task given. So, and here we added something new, which is we separate the course subject into file or into folder and according to the SEM and year. So here is SEM 1 year 1, SEM 2 year 2, SEM 1 year 2, SEM 2 year 2, and SEM 1 year 3. So if we click on this SEM 1 year 3, then it will display the course or the subject that we taken on that semester and that current year. So it will be more organized and more efficient than the interface for this student name and the profile picture is just the same. And when we click onto this logout button, it will go to the set home page. So basically this is suppose what we supposed to do in our prototype, which we propose in the proposal. We want to show that the message is in the organized way, more organized way, and the arrangement of the folder for the course. It also show it display it in more organized way. So basically this is what we propose in our proposal. So that's all for the presentation. Thank you for listening and for paying attention to my presentation for our group prototypes. Thank you and bye bye.